Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to show you something. So if you've read the thumbnail, you may know what's coming. Okay, let me just start the story off by saying, if you don't know or you're new here, through a series of some events, I lost my job. Pardon me. And my husband, he's the finance man in our home, and he says, you know, honey, I think with YouTube, we can swing it. I think we're going to be okay. So he okayed me to put everything I've got into my YouTube to, and that'll be my income. Anywho, basically, that's how this started. So, recently, so the whole reason I say that is because we used to go and to antique stores all the time and find all kinds of cool stuff, and I'd buy it and I'd come home and I'd show you everything. Well, I haven't done that in quite a while because I don't have extra money to spend. But recently was my birthday, and my husband asked, you know, do you want to go out for dinner and go do this and that? And I'm like, yeah, sure, that's fine. So Saturday morning, we got up and went. Saturday wasn't my birthday, but for my birthday, Saturday, we got up and we went and had breakfast. And then we didn't go to breakfast. No, I'm sorry. We didn't go to breakfast. He took me out to an antique store. And I saw a lot of things that I wanted to get, but I was like, no, pass on that. Too expensive. Don't want it. I really want it, but it's too expensive. Well, one of those items that I seen, my husband saw that I seen and knew that I would want. And he picked it up and took it to the front counter of the antique store or the antique mall and said, I would like to make an offer on this. And they accepted the offer and he bought it. And it was an entire box, like a shoe box, full of Workbasket magazines. But, just a second, hold on. The oldest, well, I can't say this. Can't say that. I will say the oldest that I can identify is May of 1947. And then it has 47 to 48 to 49 and then it goes to 53, 55, 56, 58, and then it came, I kind of put them in somewhat order. It came with these three I put in this little bag. And this is where I need your help. I cannot find anywhere on these what years these are. It says volume 2, December, and then in parentheses, it has the 2-923. Is that right? I'm reading it backwards. Yeah. And number 3. And I have been through and it's weird because it's not a magazine. It's actually just this. And it has the patterns in it. And that's all it is. It's patterned. There's no, like a copyright. There's no, it has an address. It says, address all correspondence. I said that funny. Address all correspondence and send all orders to Modern Handcraft, 3954 Central Street, Kansas City 2, Missouri. And that is it. There is no year, no date. And I've tried looking up because I know that I know that some older magazines will have Roman numerals as the date, the year. And so I thought, well, okay, maybe the number in parentheses would be a year. So I tried looking that up and I could not find anything about it. But yeah, other than that, there is no other identifying the year of what this is. I have no clue. So there's 3 of these. And then, get these back in here. And then it jumps to 60, 1960, 61, 62, 63, and then it jumps to 67 and 1968. So I'm not sure. I think that I have a few 60s and 50s, so I may have some duplicates to give away out of these. And then it went to 70s and 80s. So I know for a fact some of them I've already showed on camera. So I'm going to add those to my giveaway pile. I have a hair. I'm going to add those to my giveaway pile and give you guys a chance to get some, to win some whenever I do the giveaway for all of the magazines that I have all the duplicates of. But I was so excited. I was like, honey, you did, oh my gosh. So let me see. I'm just going to count these real quick. There's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. My hand's not wide enough. What'd I say? 21, 24, 27, 27, 30, 30, 33, 36, 36, 36, 39, 39, oh boy, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 58, 59, 60, 61. I just completely like zoned out. So 61 more Workbasket magazine. I am so happy. I don't know. The woman that checked us out, my husband was trying to tell her, he's like, no, you don't understand. She collects all these and then like preserves them and then she gives them away and this and that and this and that. And I was like, honey, just stop. Stop telling people stuff. Anyway, I just wanted to jump on here real quick because I was so happy to show you these. And I'm going to add them to our Workbasket eras flip through. I love that. I know that is probably one of the least viewed videos on my channel, but I enjoy it. I love the past. I love the history. I love the pictures, the old pictures, the old, okay, here's a perfect example. The picture, how pretty is that? You know, just the setup that they used, the background. Oh, I did not realize that I showed an address. Anyway, just, I don't know. I love looking at that. And then the ones that, like this one. This is from 1967. So I would guess that the picture was probably taken in 66. Well, it's February 67. So I would guess the picture was taken in probably late 66, maybe the beginning of 1967. And I just, look at that. That is so pretty to me. And the hair, I love it. It's just to see that's what people wore. That's how people did their hair, you know. I mean, check this chick out. I don't know what she's doing, but hey, it's a photo. Look at the begonias. The begonia hanging basket. Any 5 books for 99 cents. Look at those books. I don't know. It's things that make me happy, and they're odd little deals, but they make me happy. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you guys for watching. I know this was a short little video that maybe not all of you care too much about, but some of you do, and I want to make all of you happy. So thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't, so you don't miss what's next. Oh, before I go, will one of you... No, never mind, I'll do it. Where was I? Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't, so you don't miss what's next. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.